You're going to love the 2013 Ford F-150. This two-door, three-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.